Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am back with this new WhatsApp chatbot which I have created to automate venue bookings through my WhatsApp account. Now I will show you this WhatsApp chatbot in this video which will help my customers to book their venues for themselves. Now to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we just have to work on 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any customer will send it any text message, then this WhatsApp chatbot will reply to them automatically on my behalf. So now I will take you to my screen, and there we will see a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. Hello everyone, here on my screen you can see this is the flow of a WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to automate venue bookings for my business. And without any delay, let me show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. So for that, I just have to open my WhatsApp account, and in here I just have to send this keyword book hall. After that, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and here it has sent me this welcome message. Hi there, welcome to Royal Venue Hall. What would you like to do today? And just below this text, I have got these 3 different buttons to select from. So for today, I will select this particular button, see packages, to see packages of this particular venue. And here this bot has sent me this list. So I will open this list, and in here there are 3 different type of packages. So I will select this particular package and I will send it inside this chat. Then you will see that this bot has sent me that this is my choice, premium for rupees 60,000. Do you want to reserve this package? So I will click on this yes reserve button. After that, we will see that this bot will ask me some of questions. So here the first question that this bot has asked me is my full name. So I will quickly enter my full name inside this chat, and then we will see what next question that this bot will ask me. So here I have sent this message in chat, and here this bot is now asking me for the event date. So I will enter my event date inside this chat, and then you will see that this bot will ask me another question, and this time it is asking me what type of event is this. So as this is a wedding event, so I will type down this wedding and I will send this message in this chat. Then you will see that this bot is asking me for the approx number of guests that I would like to host. So I will type down this 100 in this chat and I will send it like this. Then you can see this bot is asking me for the event start time. So I will also enter the time of my event as this 8 p.m. and I will send it inside this chat. After that, you can see this bot has sent this message to log the hall for 16th of November 2025. A refundable advance of rupees 500 is required. Would you like to continue? So I will click on this pay advance button as I want to pay now for this particular hall. And then you can see this bot has sent me this link where I can pay, and after paying we have to press this button given here. So I will open this particular link from here and I will pay for my hall from here. And after I have completed my payment, now I just have to click on this paid button. Then you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot has sent me another message. Your thank you Jai Tripathi, your request for a premium 60,000 on 16th of November 2025 is recorded. After we will verify the payment made by you, our team Arjun Mehra will reach out with final confirmations shortly. So you just saw how easy it was for me to book this venue for myself with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So to start creating this workflow, you just have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow. And when you will search for it, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And in here on the right corner, you will see that these 2 options, sign in and sign up free, will get visible to you. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before clicking on this sign in button, let me share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for that I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. And now as I am an existing user, so I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here I will click on this sign in button, and then you can see I have got directed on this all apps page of Pabbly where Pabbly Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications, but today as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow to create our chatbot, that's why I will click on this access now button, and this will get me directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and you can select any of these 2 different methods, WhatsApp connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the link of those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a flow for yourself, you just have to click on these flows given here, and from here you have to select these flows, and then you will get directed on this page. And here you can see these are all the flows that I have created for myself, and this is the exact same flow that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So as I'm going to create this exact same flows with you guys, so first of all I will deactivate this earlier existing flow from here, and then I will click on this add flow to add a new flow. And you can see now I have landed on this page, and here this trigger button is now visible to me. But before working on this, I would like to give a meaningful name to my chatbot, this chatbot to automate venue bookings. And now we will work on our trigger step. So this trigger button is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. So you can see this trigger event. I will click on this drop down, and this is a list of all the trigger events which I can use to kickstart my chatbot. So for today I will select this particular trigger event, keyword or regex match, because I want my chatbot to get triggered with the help of some keywords that I will enter inside this box. So to enter keywords inside this box, you just have to type down that particular word, and when you will press this enter button, here your keyword will get added successfully. So I will add one more keyword like this booking. So I have typed it down, and then when I will press this enter button, here this keyword has also got successfully added. And you can see as this keyword or regex match, that's why we can either enter the keyword or this regex. So that's why I have entered the keyword. So this means that our trigger is all set. Now we will move towards my first action step. So for that, as I want to send a welcome message to my customer, so to frame a simple message, I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. So first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this welcome message for my customer. And also just below this text, I will add 3 different type of options for my customer to select from. So here I have added both the welcome message and these 3 different buttons for my customers to select from. So now we will work on these buttons one by one. So first of all, let us work on this button date availability. So to frame this, I will drag in this text button, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular message. And here you can see I have entered this following different dates which are available. So first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and now just below this particular message, I will add this button see packages, so that my customer can directly click on this particular button if he want to book this venue for any of these particular dates. Now we will work on this second button see packages. So now I want that whenever any customer clicks on this particular button, I want to send them a list of all the packages that I have. So for that, I will drag in this list and I will drop it in here. And first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then I will enter this body of my list. So here I have entered the body of my list. Now to add a section, I will click on this add section button, and then inside this section, I want to add 3 different items for my customer to select from. So to add items, I will click on this add items button, and you can add as many items as you want inside this particular list. But as I want to add only 3, that's why I have clicked on this add item buttons 3 times. So now first of all, I will give a name to this particular section as this R packages, and then for this title, I will enter this particular text basic for rupees 25,000. So here you can see I have entered this title. Now I will enter the description for this particular title, as you will get haul only for this particular price package. So you just saw how this is how you can add an item for yourself. So just like this, I will quickly add the text inside all of my remaining items. So here all of my items of my list are now ready. Now I want that whenever my customer clicks on any of this particular item, I want to store the selections made by them. So that can be made possible with the help of this set custom field. So I will drag it in here, and first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and after that, when I will click on this drop down, you will see that these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. And from here, I will select this particular contact custom field service type, which I have created to store the service selected by my customer. And then inside this enter value, I will just copy the title of this particular item and I will paste it in here. And with this, I have successfully added the contact custom field for this particular item. Now whenever my customer will select this particular item, then their selection will be stored by this chatbot. So just like this, I will quickly add this contact custom field to each of my remaining items. So here I have successfully added these contact custom fields to each of my remaining buttons. Now I will show you how you can create these contact custom field for yourself. But before exiting this particular page, I will advise you to click on this save button to save the flow. Otherwise your flow will get lost. And then as our flow is updated successfully, so I will click on this settings, and from here I will select this particular contact custom field. And in here, these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. So first of all, to add a new field, I just have to click on this add more field button, and then after giving a name to this particular field, when I will click on the save button, you will see that this field is saved successfully. Now I can access this contact custom field inside my flows. So if I will open my flow, this is the flow in which I am working. Now when I will click on this contact custom field drop down, you can see this particular is the exact same contact custom field that I have just created for you. Now I can select this if I want to. Now I hope that you have understood how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. So with this, I will move towards my next action step. So for that, as I want to show my customer their selected choice, so for that I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. And after connecting all of these following circles, so I will enter this particular message. You can see you choose $ service type. Do you want to reserve this package? And you can see with the help of this $ and this service type custom field, I can map the selection made by my customer. So if my customer has selected this particular premium package, then they will see their particular premium package written here. And just below this text, I will add two different buttons, and in those buttons I will add text yes reserve and go back to main menu. So here I have also added the text inside my button. Now we will set up this button. So if my customer clicks on this yes reserve button, I want to ask him some question. So for asking question, I will drag in this ask question button and I will drop it in here. And after connecting both of these following circles, first of all I will enter this question inside this particular box. You can see here I am asking my customer to share with me their full name. So that's why for this contact custom field, I will select this particular custom field full name, which I have created to store the name given by my customer. And then inside this format, I will select it as text, as this is the format in which I want to my customer to reply to me. And for this number of attempt box, in this box I can enter the number of attempt which I want to give my customer, but for now I will skip this. And you can see if my customer clicks on this second button back, I want to get them directed on this particular list back again. So for that I will connect this particular button with this list like this. Now if the customer clicks on this back button, he can go back on this particular list and he can again change their choices made by them. Now you can see I have successfully asked this one question. Now as I want to ask 5 more questions from my customer, so I will drag this ask question button, and then first of all I will copy this particular button 5 times because I want to ask 5 continuous questions from my customer, and then I will frame them one by one. So you can see I have copied these questions for the 5 times. Now I will frame them one by one. So here you can see all of my 5 questions are ready. So in the first question, I have asked for the full name of my customer. In the second, I have asked them to share their event date. In the third, I have asked them the type of event. In the fourth, I have asked them the approx number of guests. And in the last one, I have asked them the event start time. And with them, I have also selected their respective contact custom field. Now I will move towards my next step, where I want to ask my customer to pay for their order. So for that, I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. After that, first of all I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box I will enter this text, where you can see I have used this $date to map the date selected by my customer. And just below this particular text I will add 2 different type of buttons, like my customer can pay directly or they can pay later. So here I have added these 2 different buttons, pay advance and I will decide later. So now let us set up this particular button, pay advance. Now if my customer clicks on this particular button, I want to send them a message with a payment link. So you can see I have dragged it in the text button. I will connect both of these following circles, and then I will enter this particular message, where I have also provided my customer with this particular payment link. Now just below this particular text I will add this button, so that my customer can click on this after they have paid for their course. And then for this I will decide later button, I will again drag in this text button, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this message for my customer, where you can see I have written this text. No worries, $ full name. You can pay and confirm your booking anytime, leaving the 48 hours before your booking date. And here you can see I have also used this $date to map the date selected by my customer. And just below this text, I will add this button where I will type down the same text like this, pay advance, so my customer can click directly on this button to pay in advance for themselves. That's why I will connect this particular button with this message where I have sent the link to my customer. Now as soon as my customer clicks on this particular button paid, I want to send them a final concluding message. So to frame that, I will again drag in this text button, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular message for my customer. Thank you, $ full name. Your request for a service type on $date is recorded. And here you can see with this I have successfully completed the creation of this button of ours, where you can see now whenever any customer will click on this particular button see packages, he will receive a list, and with the help of this list he can book this particular event for himself. Now first of all, I will connect this particular button see packages with this list from here like this, and then we will work on this final button of ours, talk to manager. So I will drag in this text button from here like this, and then first of all I will connect both of these following circles, and then I will enter my message inside this box. So here I have also added this particular text inside this button, and I have also added this button see packages, so my customer can click directly on this button to see a package for themselves. So with this I have successfully completed the creation of this flow of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will save this flow from here, otherwise this WhatsApp chatbot will not work as expected. Now then I have to go on my WhatsApp account to see if this WhatsApp chatbot is working all fine or not. So I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here I just have to type down this particular keyword booking. Then you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and here it has sent me this welcome message again. Now I just have to interact with this WhatsApp chatbot to book a venue hall for myself. So this is how you can create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And you can also clone this flow for yourself by copying the link of this flow that I will paste in the description box of this video. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to YouTube channel of Pabbly. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.